So this is a simple but very effective fix. So all we have to do is just unplug the docking station from the HDMI cord and the power source. Now once you do this, keep it unplugged for 40 seconds or longer. Now as soon as you plug everything back and try it again, it should work. There will be like rare cases where this method wouldn't work. If that's the case, it may be some actual physical damage to the switch or the docking station itself. So if that's the case, you may have to check other sources to fix it. But yeah, that's all I have for you for this video. If you have any questions, leave it down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. And if you are interested in more informational videos like this one around everyday tech and products, feel free to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. But for this video, that's all I got for you. So much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.